Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Breakout Relative Strength Index. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Breakout Relative Strength Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 289 indicators, and out of those 289 indicators, 114 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 114 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, so today's indicator is the Breakout Relative Strength Index. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I am going to go in and make a couple of changes. First of all, I'm going to turn off the actually I think I'm going to leave the bar coloration on this particular one, just because this one seems relatively twitchy, and so I'm not going to change. I was going to change the weight of this particular line here, but since I have the bar coloration in place, don't actually need to do that. So you can see the Breakout Relative Strength Index here on the bottom of the screen, and so it is basically a two-line cross type indicator. You can see the main oscillating line, which is the relative strength index, the Breakout Relative Strength Index, and then you can see that there's kind of a signal line trailing with it. And so basically what happens is when the relative strength index line crosses up above the signal line, that is a signal to go long, and when it crosses down below, that is a signal to go short. And conversely, there is also the bar coloration here on top. When the bars are red, that is a signal to go short. When the bar turns green, that is a signal to go long. Pretty simple setup. That's how we will be testing it today. So let's get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, let's see here. So we are into the year right here. Looks like we pick up a short signal here, right there, for just a moment. And almost immediately we cross over in to the buy signal right here. And then almost immediately, well, let's say a couple bars later anyway, we cross over into another sell signal right there. This one might have gotten us to take profit. Let's see. Nope, not quite the 60 pips. And then it bounces back up for a buy signal right there. And once again, comes for a sell signal right there. Let's go ahead and play this out a little bit. And that one right there got us to take profit. Then over here on this side, looks like we pick up a buy signal right here on that one. Almost immediately has a nasty pullback right there, getting us stopped out. Then it throws a short signal at us. Very weird spot to throw a short signal. And then it then gives us a long signal. That one works out for us, gets us to take profit. All right, moving along here. Then we get a sell signal right there on that one. Would have worked out for us, but it switched to a buy signal right there, and then back to a short signal right there on that one, before finally picking up a long over here, which looks like, yep, got us to take profit there. All right, moving along here, short signal right there. Looks like we're still in this particular one, but it does end up stopping us out there. Then along there, and that one does get us to take profit. So we're definitely skirting the line. It could go either way at this point. If we get a nice little streak of winning trades, we could easily pop back up over the threshold here. We pick up a short signal right there. I don't know if it managed to get us to... it was close, but it looks like it just barely got us there. Then we pick up a long right there. Almost immediately switches back to a short there. And this one might have, let's see. Okay, so that was a green bar there. Doesn't stop us out there and does roll over, getting us to take profit there. All right, so I'm going to cut some of the video out here. Pick this up. I'll pick this up when we are a little bit closer to the end of the year. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and wrap up these last couple of signals here and see where we stand. Let's see. So that is a buy signal there. Actually, that one did get us to take profits. Then we pick up a short there. Stopped out by the next candle for a long. Then stopped out almost immediately for a short, then back into a long there, and not quite to take profits, and that puts us at the end of the year right there. Whew, man. So there we have it. That is the Breakout Relative Strength Index. All right, let's count them up and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. So we have 69 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 winning trades. And so that definitely is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. That's about half of what we needed to get to the 60%. Obviously, this one over trades like crazy. Wow, that was a lot of trades. We haven't had one that had this many trades in 1 year's time in quite a while. But this just goes back to reinforcing the point that most over trading indicators are not profitable. And so it's better to find something with a little bit less trades in a year, but is far more accurate rather than just, throwing stuff against a wall and hoping it sticks. So this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.